How to insert line in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can insert horizontal or vertical line in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. So let me write something here to show you. Okay, so first we are going to talk about the horizontal line. Okay, so you can use the format called shading. Okay, so just go to the format, go to the paragraph style, and here you can see the borders and shadings. And there is a position, we can select any position, but now we are looking for the horizontal line. So if you want to write above horizontal line, you can select this, and if you want to write below horizontal line, you can select this. So I'm going to select this second option, bottom border and top border. Okay, so just select it, and you can change the thickness if you want. You can change up to 6 pt. You can also change the style of this border. You can change the color also, and you can also change the background color and paragraph padding. Okay, just apply it. Now just click above and you can write something here. Okay, if you want to change, go again here, and you can change it, the style, or thickness or color, and apply. Okay, and if you want to remove it, go here again, just untick this option and apply. Sorry, put the cursor above the border, go to the border and shading, and check it. Okay, you need to just select that line like this. Just click here and select and drag, so this line should be select. Go to the format, and you can simply reset, or you can reset and apply, then this line will be removed. Okay, so this is for horizontal line. So now I'm going to show you how to put the vertical line in Google Docs. So for that we need to use the option called drawing. Go to the drawing. Okay, so you go to the insert, go to the drawing, go to the new drawing, and you can see here in line. Okay, under the line you need to select that first line, and just click and hold the shift button of your keyboard, and now you can draw the line. So it will come the very straight vertically. Okay, and just draw like this. Now just go and save the close. You can change the thickness from here if you want. You can also change the style. Okay, save and close. Now when you click it, it will be selected. Now you can use the behind text and front text option, and now you can okay, so now you can able to move. Okay, you have to just select this option, behind text or front text, and just keep the cursor on that line. This icon should become. After this icon pop, just click on it, hold it, and you can drag this line anywhere. Okay, like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.